What we doing, guys? Welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. This is Chef Carlton here from the Just Good Cooking Network. I'm asking you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss my notifications. Today I'm walking you guys through a special recipe, guys. So stick around, guys, and let's have fun while we do this one. Alright, guys, so today I'm going to be doing a pickled Scotch Bonnet Pepper. So I went to Jamaica, guys, and my uncle gave me a bunch of hot Scotch bonnet, real Scotch bonnet, because it's very hard for me to get Scotch bonnet where I'm at. So I went to Jamaica. I got way more than this. This is just what I have left. I share some with a friend, and I'll use some for like, I've been using these every day. I cook for like a week now, but I have these leave and I want to pickle these because I can't go through these things fast enough, because these things are extremely hot, guys. These are the real deal. Trust me, these are the real deal. I've been buying peppers, so-called Scotch bonnet, up here for years, and I tell you that one of these is hotter than every one of those that I buy put together. I kid you not. So anyway, I'm going to pickle these. So I got a little bit of sugar, some salt, water, and some vinegar. I'm adding garlic, rosemary, and ginger to this recipe, guys. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and make our liquid for our pickling. Okay, so for this part, the only thing you're really doing is just combining. So we're going to go ahead and add our water and do equal water to vinegar. So I do 1 cup of water, I'm doing 1 cup of vinegar also. Alright, now we're going to add our salt, add our sugar, and we're just going to bring that. Let everything dissolve. You don't want it to boil. Whatever you do, don't let this boil, please. You don't want it to boil. You just want it to get to, you know, just enough heat to dissolve the sugar and the salt. Combine everything. So while that's going, remember, don't let it boil. But while it's going, we're going to go ahead and cut our peppers. We're going to leave some of them whole, and we're going to cut some. And I strongly, matter of fact, I insist, put a glove on. I mean, I won't, but if you're a beginner, you're not used to handling Scotch bonnet, please put a glove on, because these things packs a punch. All right, let's get going. So some people keep the stems on, some people remove them. Me, I remove them. Just pluck some of the stems out, and then these we're just going to go ahead and cut. But we're going to keep the seeds. Alright, we're going to cut like, oh no, probably 4. Or I probably should just cut 2, because again, these things packs a punch, guys. Let's do 3. Alright, so we're going to do 3, so now let's get ready to pack our glass. Alright, so we're going to pack our glass. We're going to start with our rosemary. We're going to add, these peppers are already washed, so in case you're wondering, these are already washed. Let me remove the stem. Remember not to boil your not to boil the pickling juice. So we're going to add a few bonnets there. Alright, coming on just fine, guys. I'm going to add some just to get the thing going. Okay, now we're going to add some of the chopped ones. And let me chop one of the green, so I got some color in there. So oh boy, I could smell that. My nose is already running, guys. Wow. Alright, so now we're going to get a garlic. Just split it. Add a piece there, add a piece over there. This one is small enough, don't gotta split that one. Just add them in. The ginger. You guys probably never seen this in a pepper pickling before, but trust me, the ginger is gonna give this a nice kick. I'm gonna try and get it in equal parts. Don't worry about putting it at the bottom, because once the liquid get in, then all of that will be taken care of. So now I'm going to add the rest. Alright. Let's give them a nice little stack. Make sure your rosemary is up straight. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add our pickling liquid. And this is what you want. You want to see the little fine bubbles. You don't want it to be boiling. Alright, so everything is dissolved. Now we're going to go ahead and add it. Make sure you got steady hands. And don't worry if you don't cover everything, guys. But I'm pretty sure 1 cup of each will. If it didn't cover, you could simply just add, make more. Alright, so now you see that's what we got. Now you could see all of that. We're gonna cover these, but I won't cover it yet. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cover it, seal it real tight with the lid. Seal it real tight, and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 months. Usually people do years, but you know, I'm gonna say 2 months, but you could do this for a long time. And once it's pickled and ready, when you go to eat, just add a teaspoon over your food and you're gonna love it.